How to use natural tea tree oil on face to treat acne and scars. Skin problems are common for people in specific areas and specific seasons. One of the painful conditions of skin is known as acne. Acne vulgaris, which is popularly known simply as acne, is a long-term skin disease. This mainly happens when you have oily skin, and there is a deposition of oil along with dead skin cells and hair follicles in an area. Acne is often characterized or accompanied by blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, and also leaves long-time scars on the skin. The main reason for the occurring of acne is definitely genetics. The medical science has got some of the effective solutions in the form of creams, serums, and medicines. But they are equally known for their side effects too. Tea tree oil for acne marks is the best treatment, as this oil is also known as one of the effective remedy that can be used at home to treat acne and other skin diseases naturally. This is because of the antibacterial and antifungal qualities of the tea tree oil. Also, it is good for your skin. You will be shocked by looking at the benefits of tea tree oil. Here are some ways that will tell you how to use tea tree oil for acne-prone skin. First remedy. The best way to use tea tree oil for acne is to make a solution with water. Use 1 part of tea tree oil with 9 parts of water. Dab it on the acne with cotton. Leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and wash it. Repeat the process for best results. Second remedy. Tea tree oil is the best way to dry out your skin. Tea tree oil balancing out the presence of the oil. But do not overuse it. Use a few drops of tea tree oil with 20 to 30 drops of hazel oil. Dab it on the acne and then clean it with cold water. Repeat the process to see the difference. Third remedy. You can also make a diluted solution of this oil with honey. Dab it on the acne with cotton. Leave it for 15 minutes. Then wash it with cold water. Be sure that the lotion is applied after washing the tea tree oil. This is because the oil dries up the skin and the pores are left exposed. Use lotion to keep the skin hydrated. Subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. Click the bell button. Get notified directly from health tips for the latest uploads.